Okay, the time has come and the robots are here to finally take all our copywriting jobs. And could an artificial intelligence finally do a better job on writing a copy that actually converts? Yes, I'm Ankit Mehta here, and I want to take this opportunity to introduce first to market real artificial intelligence that writes fresh and human copy for ads, social media, emails, and more with just a keyword or even a voice. So, without ado, let's start with the app. Click on login. Okay, there are some technical tabs. Let's close these. And here you can see all of the categories that Create AI can generate content into. And you just need to click on any kind of category. Let's start with the Facebook ads. For example, let's start with candle maker. Click on save. And to your audience, for example, teenagers, they which don't usually buy the candles. And once you click on this mic button, it can provide you a prompt for your content. For example, our candles bring the feelings of the outdoors to your home. And here you can enter your own keywords. The more data you enter here, the better results you get. For example, candles, fresh, relaxing, buy one get one free. These all are not predefined categories or keywords, so you are all free to enter anything that you like. Just select the tone of your ad. Let's select professional here, click on submit. And you can see the data here. Enjoy the feel of the outdoors without the bugs with our new candles. Bring the feelings of the outdoors to your home with our new candles. Buy one get one free. And it provided an additional coupon code too, and some other additional info. It provided you the headline, the description, and everything. And you can click on load more. It will get you a newer result which is completely organic. And let me tell you about this, because it's not a pre-filled data where the brand name is replaced with your campaign name. It is a completely fresh and unique data, so you don't need to worry about plagiarism or copyscape anything, because this is the completely fresh generated data, and everything is at your with your own keywords and supplied by the artificial intelligence. You can see if I click on load more, each and every time the data is different. Relax with the soothing scent that will have you feeling like you are in the woods, because this is completely different from our prompt text, right? And once you are satisfied with the results, click on your campaign list. Click here on public link. So for example, if you're working with a kind of ad agency, you need to provide this link with them, and they'll get all the results that you created, right? And if you want it for yourself, create on export PDF. And you can see all the heading description here. And if you are a bit old school, just click on export text and click here, and you can get all the data in text or notepad file. So all the data that have been generated is completely fresh, artificial intelligence developed, and non-plagiarized, so you don't need to worry about anything, and just use it with your content. And the data has been trained by the copywriting professionals, so the data you are getting, the copy you are getting is simply proven to convert. Don't need to worry about anything at all. And we really want our users, if you have any kind of concern related to technology, the data or anything, just ping us. If you want your separate account for login, just reply to the comment in this video and we will provide you a separate login detail that you can use for checking this real artificial intelligence. And we are really thrilled by the results because we have trained it with million of data that is backed by billions of data. Like if I tell you the artificial intelligence is backed by 15 billion of data, and we have fine-tuned it so much so you only get what you need, not no scrapping content, no bullshit or anything else, just plain simple content that you really want or your business want. So just give it a try, and if you like it, then promote it to your audience. No funny business, just simple AI that you really deserve and your customers do.